So now there's audio. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, so let me know when we are all good to go. But just a friendly reminder that I think it's best for us to all lock in our profits, close the positions out. Something that I don't like to do is to hold during during any report. So just a little heads up on that, and then this should be interesting. We have about 45 seconds until the report comes out. So Ricky isn't in his trading room. No, I'm in my living room. So you guys can see that right there. But yeah, all right, guys. Here we go. 30 seconds. All right, here we go. So we can do the countdown to 10 seconds. Let's close out the positions if you don't want to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge push up on crude oil, right? Huge push up. Something that was showing signs of a descending pattern. So just a little heads up on this. This thing pushed up, which means that DWT then became oversold. DWT was the one that was showing signs of an uptrend pattern, so it has the potential to recover again at confirmation. So UWT pushing up right now. Congrats to all those that traded UWT. Most likely, if this descending pattern continues, then it will most likely be if this descending pattern for UWT continues, then I would buy the dip, at confirmation, right, of a reversal on DWT and then ride it up. As of right now, there's no confirmation. UWT is shooting through the roof. And yeah, that's really just it. There it goes. It's showing signs of a peak formation. So let's see if it continues to push up or actually begins to pull back. So let's see what the difference in that is. So here we go. About a 4% margin is what it built, but it's still selling off. Look at this. It's still trying to sell off. Crazy. That's pretty cool, right? But yeah, there's nothing crazy about that. Again, we still have to be super selective with our entries and with our exits. It's still selling off. So just because it was showing signs of an uptrend pattern, just like we've noticed before, it doesn't mean that it has to continue. And there it goes. The more patient that you are, the larger the margin of profit for recovery that you could build for yourself. So I think that, that's why we try to encourage people, since if you don't know what side it's going to go up or down on, to lock in profits, to simply watch what happens. And then if there's a dip buy opportunity, take advantage of it. So you could potentially just take one trade today, one trade this entire week. This could potentially be it, right? But you have to wait for that when that action is happening. So, yeah, that is really just it for me. Appreciate you guys' time. I was going to go live for a little bit longer, but I have to go to the bathroom, and I wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. I'll keep you guys up to date under the the trade idea section. Really do appreciate you guys' time. I'm sorry. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be a drive to success. And like always, you guys are horrible. You guys are all laughing at me. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.